Okay, this is my friend's furnace here. It's a Nordyne gas gun furnace. I'm trying to hold this light here. Inside of this here, we pulled this whole unit out and replaced the hot surface igniter. There's no flame rod in here at all. They said it starts up. You can see the igniter glow red, then the gas comes on for not even 5 seconds. It the flame, it lights up and everything, and then over here, this black box, it'll do about 3 times and then it shuts down. And in the back of this black box here, there's a blinking red light back in here, and it blinks 3 times over and over again. It's not doing it right now, and it doesn't seem to have a lot of the stuff that I've seen on other furnaces, or like the Coleman furnace that you showed me. Doesn't I don't think it has a pressure switch or anything. So I'm kind of at a loss here. There's I think this is an older furnace, so I don't know what's causing that red light to come on. Why it isn't sensing the flame or what? Because there's no flame sensor as far as we know. It just has that hot surface igniter in there. I mean, we pulled all this out of here. I've unbolted them bolts there on the flange that goes to the firebox, and looked inside there. There's nothing in there. There's just the box. So like I said, just this box here blinks. It's got this blinking red light on it. Three blinks. So any help would be appreciated. If you can tell us anything on it. Thank you.